Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable admin approval in Messenger group chats. This is a useful feature for controlling who can join your group and helps maintain a secure and well-moderated environment. Whether you are enabling or disabling this feature, the process is simple, and I will walk you through it step by step. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the main screen, locate the group chat where you want to manage the admin approval setting. Tap on the group chat to open it. Next, confirm that you are an admin of the group chat. Only admins can change the approval settings. To check or manage this, tap on the group's name or photo at the top of the chat screen. This will open the group info section where you can access all the settings for the group. In the Group Info menu, scroll down to find the Member Requests option. This is where you can enable or disable the admin approval feature. Tap on Member Requests to open this setting. Here, you will see a toggle switch for admin approval. If the toggle is turned on, it means admin approval is required for new members to join the group. If you want to disable this feature, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. When it is turned off, new members will be automatically added to the group without needing admin approval. If you want to enable admin approval, turn the toggle switch on. This ensures that all requests to join the group will need to be reviewed and approved by an admin before the person is added. This can be helpful for managing large groups or ensuring only trusted individuals are added. After making your choice, the setting will be updated immediately. There is no need to save or confirm anything further. You can now exit the Settings menu and return to the group chat. By using this feature, you have more control over who can join your Messenger group chat. It's a simple way to manage group membership and ensure the group remains a secure space for conversations. That's how you enable or disable admin approval in Messenger group chats. It's a straightforward process that gives you greater control over your group. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.